While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Tension-free body. Let's begin. Easy pose. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed and spine tall. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and take slow, steady breaths to calm your mind and center your body. Next stretch. Sit or stand tall with a straight spine. Gently tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Breathe slowly and feel the release through your neck and shoulders. Seated side bend. Sit tall with your legs crossed or extended. Place one hand on the floor beside you and reach the other arm overhead, stretching through your side. Breathe deeply and open the space along your ribs. Seated side bend. Sit comfortably with your spine tall. Place your left hand on the floor and lift your right arm overhead, leaning gently to the left. Keep your hips grounded and breathe into the stretch along your side. Shoulder roll. Sit or stand tall with a relaxed spine. Slowly roll your shoulders up, back, and down in a smooth circular motion. Breathe deeply as you release tension from your shoulders and upper back. Cat pose. Start on your hands and knees. As you exhale, round your spine toward the ceiling and gently tuck your chin to your chest. Feel the stretch along your back and neck. Thread the needle. Begin on all fours. Slide your right arm under your left, lowering your right shoulder and cheek to the mat. Keep your hips lifted and breathe deeply, feeling a gentle twist through your upper back. Seated forward bend. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Then exhale and fold forward from your hips, reaching toward your feet. Keep your back long and breathe gently. Recline twist. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Drop both knees to one side while keeping your shoulders grounded. Turn your head in the opposite direction and breathe deeply into your spine. Recline twist. Lie comfortably on your back. Bring one knee toward your chest Then, gently guide it across your body to the opposite side. Extend your opposite arm and look toward it. Breathe slowly and feel a soft release along your spine. Happy pose. Lie on your back and bend your knees toward your chest. Hold the outsides of your feet or shins, gently opening your hips. Breathe deeply, feeling a release through your lower back and hips. Knees to chest pose. Lie on your back and hug both knees toward your chest. Keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe deeply, feeling a gentle release in your lower back. Supported bridge pose. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips and place a block or cushion under your lower back for support. Rest your arms by your sides and breathe slowly, feeling gentle openness in your chest and spine. Legs at the wall pose. Sit close to a wall, lie back, and lift your legs so they rest against the wall. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides. Breathe slowly and allow your body to relax and release tension.